This, my friends, is the Extravaganza, a travelling fair that travels around New Zealand and visits my little town once a year, filled with friends that I feel are my family. Come with me, let's go around the fair and meet some of my folks. The Extravaganza is a fair. It's not a circus. It's a mixture that's a little bit steampunky, a little bit circusy, a little bit gypsy, but full of good people. Here's Thorny. Thorny's the blacksmith, and Thorny works in 90-degree heat in the hot, hot sun, producing gorgeous, handmade, wrought iron goodies for people to dress up steampunk homes and things like that. We're just having a chat about his new puppy and what the kids have been doing. The Extravaganza travels with a variety of equipment. The seesaw and various other things are left outside for the kids just to play on randomly. There's no charge for any of the entertainment. The fair's open from 9 in the morning till 5 at night, and in the nicest weather they have evening sessions where they'll bring in a band, paid for, and you can come and enjoy a good band. Everybody dresses up their vehicles. Here's the coffee caravan with its very steampunk style Buck Rogers tail lights. There's always some good music going. We have a DJ later on in the afternoons and into the evening. Haha, here's me saying we, like yeah it is, this is part of me, I'm part of it. The Extravaganza are my family. These are my people. Jonas has rebuilt his clothing shop. This awesome outdoor awning is attached to what I think is the world's first tiny house clothing store. He carries a massive range of women's clothing, which they have specially made and brought to New Zealand, and it can't be found anywhere else. Here's Jonas standing in the doorway of his highly modified bus, just sneaking a coffee. Jonas is originally from Germany, but now living in New Zealand and married to Mel's, and together they run this entire Extravaganza. So here's the inside of the tiny house clothing store, with an indoor and an outdoor, mirrors, changing rooms, very, very funky decor.
Jonas.
And back out into the outside again, under that trippy awning.
Hey.
Now this is a Bedford, an English bus, which has been highly modified. It's been lofted with a bedroom up the top there. Here's another Bedford. This one's a TK model, which is a flat nose from the early 1970s. Gorgeous little house filled with lots of native timber. Belongs to Ian, and Ian runs the bouncing trampoline game, which takes a lot of setting up in the morning, but once it's set up, he just stands in the shade and gives everybody there 5 minutes for $3, that kind of thing. Now the jewellery and all this that you just saw behind me belongs to Yanni, who's from Switzerland. And here's my sister Leanne. Leanne is a herbalist, and she produces and sells all these gorgeous perfumes and soaps. She runs under the name of the Wicker Basket. And as I say, she's a qualified herbalist. She helps a lot of people and gets so much repeat business year after year as she travels to each town. She also does a lot of mail order for people who need her stuff, and she sends it all around the country all through the year. All of these people build their own trucks and buses. We've got schoolies, house trucks, tiny homes. There's people working from vans. Here is the stage. The stage, what was it? It was a fire engine. It's now lofted. The kids' bedroom is upstairs. Attached on the back is the stage. These kids have just been getting changed out of their performance gear because they do a little circus performance. They're getting back into their street clothes, getting all the sparkly sequins off, and Mel's is just helping them out of the truck. They've done their show and they're off now to enjoy the rest of their day. Now, running the stage today, we've got Con from Wellington. Con is an impressionist, an illusionist, a singer, a comedian, and a bit of a cross-dresser. He hasn't got any of his ladies' attire on today because it's a hot day. But today, he's just getting ready to start the games in the middle of the afternoon for the children. Over here, we've got my brother Dick. Dickerson's Gastronomic Emporium. It's probably the world's only steampunk mobile cafe.
Down up, here we go. Oh yeah. We're coming back. We're getting it organised. Got a few little props from the other end, the other stage. Bring them down here. That's where all the energy's been. You've been. Okay, what have we got next? You got another one? Should we do another heat? Yep. Okay. Get your breath back. You can do it. It doesn't matter. They're all the same. First, second, and third. It's a trifecta. Take your pick, lucky duck. In time.
Have to go and put it on a plate for the talker, well.
How do we feel about the holidays so far?
See ya.
Yeah, imagine that, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's easy.
You'll double your tear weight.
Right, you miss it out to the other stage, but now it's here. We're just mixing it up. Pretty soon, we're going to get on with a little bit of themed stuff. First theme. It's kids. That's a good theme, isn't it? We're going to try and get all the kids to this end, and we're going to do a diversion. So they'll be here with the adults sitting down and relaxing and eating and getting a feed. And we're going to have sack races, children. Sack races with prizes. You guessed it. We've saved all the prizes for the last day. And there's a catch though, if you are part of the fair, you don't get a prize. But you can be my helper. Here we go, here's a helper. He's done it so many times. Well, you get, oh, diddly donkeys, only one helper please. It's not a, what are you gonna do? What's your help gonna be?
Holding the prizes.
Oh, you're gonna hold the prizes, okay, that's the first helper's job. Stay in your sack, okay? Now, have you heard of the trifecta? Oh yeah, if you take it out 3 times, then you win the prize, okay? It's going to go down to the 3 races, not just the first race. Don't think it's that easy. Okay, so this is the old start. This is the easy route when Carl's on board, but you've got me today, so I'm Coach Con. I'm going to stretch this out a little bit. I think it's too easy for you guys. Just stay in your sack. I'm watching you. You can take them out if you can. She's coming down. Oh, she's coming to pieces. First 3. Oh, bounce. Come on, girls. Yeah, he's down. I knew it. and booyah. Okay, he's not counted, he's a gypsy kid. First 3, you're in, here's your prize. It's about the 3 of you are going around the back. You guys have got the big guy with the hat. You 2 are going to have a free run, but let's see how it goes. On your marks, get set, boogaloo! Get him, Tay, he's down! Go around the bins, girls! Go around the bins, girls!
Go, Bella. Bella, keep going.
Okay, they're still going. Here we go, the other race is happening here at the same time. 2 races. Okay, get him on the line. Oh, he's down! Okay, here we come. First, second, and if she makes it, she'll get third. She'll be a place getter at that stage. That's a big comeback, though, getting into the top 3. Sit down. Okay, we've got Kay. We've been saving some of those prizes. What are we going to do with it? The pressure will drop. Oh, the pressure will drop on me. Oh, it's you can win if that British ticket. Oh no, it's not you. Keep your sack on. Here he comes. Oh, we got a winner. Okay, that's our rules in Extravaganza. You get me on stage. Oh, they're coming at the trots. There we go. Well done, brother. Okay, happy days here.